Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are to discuss some of the basics about image segmentation, and also we are going to discuss about quickly how image segmentation work with deep learning for successful implementation of so many things in the society real world today. So this tutorial we are going to see the session what is image segmentation is and some of the types of image segmentation and image segmentation versus object detection and object recognition. Then some of the image segmentation technique and the role of deep learning with image segmentation and so on. So here we are now image segmentation. So generally image segmentation is a process of dividing the image into multiple parts. Why we need this image segmentation? Since because if you have image segmentation, we can further enhance the images for quality. So its image is the later once apply the image segmentation, we can for this inconvenience. Yeah. So we can make it out and everything based on the concept of pixel only here. And moreover, once you go for the image segmentation, it always helps to improve the accuracy of image recognition and analysis tasks too here. And then, so here it is a very important thing. If you are beginner for this digital image processing and this deep learning too, it's very important. So first image we are going to see about some information about image classification. So is it a cat means we can answer by seeing the image, can say image classification. But with the help of image classification, we can identify this is the image only. But where is exactly or what is the accurate location of the image? That is not possible and not detected by the image classification here. So with the help of image classification, we can understand and view the image only. So we don't know where exactly whether it's here or middle or left or right like that. That's the case. We need to go for object detection here. So once go for the what is there in the image and where is the object. For example, in this while seeing the picture, we can identify there will be two objects. One object is cat, another object is dog like that. So here, so object detection here. There are if there are two objects in the image or video, it will be detected with the help of bounding box here. So remember, if you go later RCCN or anything, we need this only. So with the help of bounding box, we can identify the bounding box are and then labeled here. And the major difference between the object detection and image segmentation is very important. That is the final output only. So with the object detection, the here you can signify the bounding box that draws a square or rectangle around the limits of each object. So here one object they will be bounded with some color. Another object is there, it also bounded with another color here. And once come to the image segmentation concept, the entire outline of the object is considered and without the presence of any background content here. So this is the image segmentation output. Whatever the background not mature, which pixel belongs to which object, it just identify overall identify the output here. Then come to the what is image segmentation again saying, because we can say there we can assign a label to every pixel in image, and the major motto of using the image segmentation is what? Simplify the image for further analysis and like object recognition. So what kind of way you can divide and so on, especially for the medical image sector and so on, and result. So once go for the image segmentation, the final output just not very important, because it's always helpful to divide an image into multiple regions or segments here, and each segment you can analyze for further improvement. Then types of image segmentation. There are two types of image segmentation popular. One is called semantic instance, another one is the instance segmentation. Here, so image segmentation, so say semantic segmentation, there will be one image given here. If a image you can train and get it. So here semantic segmentation. So here once considerable semantic segmentation, that means during a semantic segmentation, the segmentation must represent fully labeled images here. Whatever the images should be fully labeled here. And that means what? all the pixel in the image should be belong to the same category, and whether they belong to the same instance or not, that is not a matter here. So if two pixels, suppose if you have some place, city or something, there will be a group of people, we can identify the instance as a people only. And if you consider this image, what you can understand here means here all persons in the image have the same, that is orange color, and glasses have the green color, and gray color is the background like that. Sorry for this one. So this is one. Yeah, this only. So before that, you are now in instance segmentation. So instance segmentation also very important because it also helpful to what are the object in the image. It will be directly with the help of boundary lines only. Here, if you have millions of people also you can have. So in this picture, what you can understand, sorry for before that one. So what you can understand here means here the images segmentation work well. That means all the person in the image have different color labels, and all the classes also have the different color labels here. So this class having color label, this is have the color label. This is happened by the help of instance segmentation. But once you come to the semantic segmentation, it's not like that. So all the images, whether the background is good or not, or background is okay or not, here the all the people are, that means colored with the gray color, and all the glasses will be covered as a green color here. All the glasses. So that is possible with the help of semantic segmentation. So here both are very important. So once you go for the research or anything, or what are the application, we can apply instance and semantic segmentation. Especially semantic segmentation helpful for a lot of things here. So some of the core techniques applied in this image segmentation is called thresholding, another called the edge detection. So if you come for the thresholding, it also helpful to divide the pixels based on the intensity values, and edge detection means it also identify the boundaries between the region using the filter concept. Later concept algorithm to here. So here we are come to the thing here session. Here we have to think about the advanced technique where it follow the region based on clustering method here. First one, the region-based segmentation. Here, we can always group the pixel with similar characteristics like color and texture. So, whatever the image, color is important. Next one is the texture is important. Next one is the clustering method. So, once for the clustering method, we can follow the K-means algorithm. And next to the deep learning approaches. So, with the help of deep learning, uh, we can combine image segmentation, and also we can add the models like CNN, FCNN, and mask RCN. First one is the CNN, where the extension is called UNet, because generally UNet is one very popular architecture consists of a encoder and decoder for accurate segmentation here. Moreover, it having the concept of upsampling and downsampling. That is the one. With the help of this one, we can go for predict the image here after training, testing everything. And FCN here fully conversion here where end-to-end pixel-wise prediction is there. And mask RCN very important because it always extends the concept of fast RCN for instant segmentation. As I told you, instant segmentation, everything in the boxes only. So what are the objects in the box? If you two objects are boxed. One object, single object will be boxed here, bound boxed here. Application in the real world. So once up to the end of the session, we know about the applications where you can use in the medical imaging. For example, CT scans of the kidney, or CT scan of the MRI scan of the brain, or anything. And autonomous vehicles. So this example here, autonomous vehicles, where for in the images we can identify the what lease and bottom is there, and autonomous vehicles you can utilize, and satellite is imaginary. So it helpful to track the place where exactly like that Atlas agriculture. So in number of ways you can use the image segmentation concept successfully. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.